Hi there, my lovely Virgo friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your reading with commencing 11:11. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Virgo. Okay, so just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate. If you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's start. Love and light, namaste. Okay. Okay, my spirit guides. What are your messages for our lovely Virgo for the week commencing 11:11? My spirit guides. What are your messages for our lovely Virgo friends for the week commencing 11:11? My spirit guides. What are your messages for our lovely Virgo for the week commencing 11:11? Sorry. Um, okay, let's see what's the bottom of it. Okay, you have here Jack of Hearts. Okay, it says in here that you have here a very good friend who is supporting you and is also who is with you all the time, and this is really a good friend of yours that I'm really giving you a good luck in your life. Okay, a very loyal, kind, supportive friend. Okay, this is a younger water sign that is really loyal to you. Okay, and for some of you, there is a secret admirer eyeing on you. Okay, and all right, okay, or it says in here that for some of you, you had a happy home life. Okay, you are very close to your dad and to your mom, and so that's why um, um, it really inspired you. Okay, it really uplifts your energy. That's why you have lots of achievements accomplished in life. Okay, a lot of achievements, accom- uh, 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 um, accomplishments that you are having in your life. Okay, because I can see it in here. Your dad, a water sign, and your mom, also a water sign, is really very supportive to you. Okay, all water signs in here. See it in here if you can see. Okay, let's see. What's the Okay, oh my God. Five of Diamonds. My beautiful Virgo. It's time for changes. A major changes is going to happen in your life now. So let's saying buckle your seatbelt. Okay, fast changes, fast phase is now happening in your life. Okay, so for some of you who feel like they are stagnant, I mean they are stuck in a stagnant situation, then in here, well, a sudden change is going to happen, a change for the better. For some of you, there is a birth of a child, or a good news of a child as well. Or for some of you, for those who are planning to start for a new business, this is a good time for to start for a new project. Okay, there is a happy home in here, as I've said earlier on. Okay, there is a happy family life in here. King of Diamonds. This is an earth energy of an authoritarian status or influence person. It can be stubborn, but this person is just watching over you and really adore or admire how you work well at work. At work, I think this is your boss, so he's eyeing on you and is planning to give you a promotion or a reward or a recognition that for your hard work. Okay, so expect, that is what I'm saying, expect a fast movement, a fast turn of events that is unexpected. Okay, um there is a spirit is trying to contact you. So pay attention to the signs of, like for example, angel's number, seeing in your mobile or in a car reg, or in a clock. It's, yeah, check time. It's exactly 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a holy hour, isn't it? As I'm saying, spirits are trying to contact you, maybe through sending you angel numbers. Okay, 111, 333, 555, 444, like that. That is, um if you're thinking of something or are waiting for a feedback or a result, then that's a confirmation that it's a positive yes. Or if yes, or if you're saying that yeah, um it's trying to relay you a message, or or pay attention to your dreams for some of you, because they will pop in your dreams and say something, a that will be for some of you an answer to your queries in life, questions in life. Yeah, or you are looking for something, I can feel it in here, that someone is missing the ring. Yeah, ring. Yeah, the spirits is trying to give you uh, uh, um, a, a a message for that. Okay, yes, and my spirit guide is saying as well that if you're going to sign a contract or a check or a letter that you are going to sign, please read it, the details before signing it. Okay, to avoid problems in the future. Okay, and yes. Okay, all right. Ten of gloves, a beautiful positive card. So for those who are an entrepreneurship, I mean entrepreneur, there is a business success in here. Or for those who are at work, there is a promotion, a rewards, a recognition, a salary increase that you are going to receive. For those who are leaders, then the higher up is keeping an eye on you for your hard work, for your well deserved hard work. Okay, so um, abundance and happiness, as well as I can see it in here. You There is a travel in here, and for those who are single and for those who were brokenhearted, I can see it in here that you will meet someone on your travel, in your travel, and maybe it's a divine connection now. Yes, and I think this person is going to make you happy again. Okay, you will. This is a you will receive an expected amount of money in here. Yes, yeah, and this card is a good luck card or a great omen for business. Okay, so meaning your business will prosper, will be successful. Okay, Eight of Diamonds for some of you, as I've said. If there's a promotion, then it's a new role. There's a new job in here or a new job situation. Um, there for some of you is having a financial ups and down, but be patient, because I can see there is money luck knocking on your door. Yes, money is going to flow into your life very soon. Okay, for those who are not married yet or who are not in a relationship yet, there is travel and marriage that is going to happen late in your life, late stage in your life. Okay, two of clubs, meaning there is an obstacle to success in here, or an opposition that is happening in your life, or any some for some of you is dealing with malicious gossips. Yes, or some disappointments in life. So hold on, my dear Virgo, because that is only a life challenge to you. Okay, you are, for some, most of you are, you are in your spiritual journey, you are in your spiritual awakening, so it is normal to experience those ups and downs. To it's just like a test for you, if how strong you are. Okay, please don't give up, don't give up. There is a positive change which is going to happen very soon. Okay, that is only temporary. All right, so in here there are jealous people, some ill will people around you, so this is considered a warning card. Think before making any decision. As I've said earlier on, read the details of the letter or the check that you are going to sign. Okay, if someone is going to ask you, it's either a contract, a check, a letter of agreement, or yeah, it's a legal letter. Please read the details, the full, and understand what it's all about before signing it. Okay, because I can see it in here that there are jealousy and some ill will people around you. They know that you have a good heart, you have a soft heart, and they just want to take you for granted. So my spirit guides and your spirit guides as well is telling you, that's why they're sending you a message to be aware, beware of these people around you. Okay, now I'm telling this to you. This is what your spirit is trying to tell you. Okay, to beware and be attentive to the people around you. You are an intuitive, empathic individual, most of you, my dear Virgos. So be sensitive enough for the behavior that they are displaying on you. Okay? Um, This is what is saying, pay attention to the signs that you are experiencing, okay? Be ready for a massive transformation that is going to happen in your life. There's a new cycle in here. As I've said, for those who are going to apply for a new job or it's ongoing now, you will get the job successfully. Um, there's another one. Oh my God. Okay, my dear Virgo, for those who are in a relationship or are committed in a relationship, either married or in a relationship, um, your behalf is playing around. You can feel it. Yes. Um, there is an unfaithful husband in here, unfaithful boyfriend, unfaithful wife, unfaithful partner, or unfaithful girlfriend in here. This card, it's this is a love sickness card. Okay, so you are experiencing, now I know why there are disappointments in here that you are having for some of you, because of the broken promises that were given to you by this unfaithful be- behalf of yours. Okay, so you will be um, receiving a malicious gossips that will really hurt you. Okay, so that's why there is an obstacle to success, because it really make you feel very low. Depression and anxiety is kicking off. So please, as I've said, please do not let this negative energy, negative situation affects you deeply, okay? Because as I've said, you are on your spiritual awakening, okay? Be a spiritual warrior. Believe in yourself. Don't stop believing. Okay, believe in yourself and ask the divine to guide you to the right path and protect you from evilness, from this negative situation, from this toxic situation, and enlighten your mind and heart, not to be affected deeply with this negative energy. Okay, my dear Virgo, let's go to the tarot cards and let's see what are the messages for you for the week commencing 11/11. My dear Virgo, please pay attention to your I can feel it in here that there are Virgos who is suffering from intestinal, in the intestinal area. Yeah, in your abdominal area. Um, for those who are experiencing a an abdominal discomfort associated with nausea and vomiting, a bloated stomach, vi- who have who are suffering from bleeding as well, bleeding, passing bleeds, either in your private area. Okay, you must seek a medical advice for that. Don't ignore, please. Don't ignore. The soonest as possible. Okay, and for prevention purposes, because prevention is better than cure. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what's the bottom of the card. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Someone is backstabbing on you, and right, okay, backstabbing, betrayal card, enemies, okay, bitching, bad mouthing, bitterness, failure, ruining your life. exhaustion. You are exhausted in here because of that negative energy. Okay, I can see it in here that it's a 10 of swords. Look at that, the 10 of swords, backstabbing, hitting your back. Okay, it's a no card. I'm associated with Gemini energy, aligned with planet Sun, and then and it's aligned to the root chakra. Okay, it says in here endings, defeat. So you feel like you are defeated, but let's see, my dear Virgo, there is a page of cups in here. It says intuition. Okay, trust your intuition, follow your instinct, follow your gut feelings. It's a yes card, and it's associated with Pisces energy, aligned with the moon. Moon is feelings and instincts. So it says in here, strongly that follow your instinct. Okay, follow your gut feelings and trust your intuition. Okay, this is a root chakra card again. So you can have, you are going to have whatever you want to have. Okay, it says in here, um, you really need a comfort, a true love, a kindness, and your intuition is strongly recommended you to follow. It's a good idea as well. Okay, there's an emotional issues in here, and again you've got the major arcana number 17, the star. Okay, the star, it's a yes card associated with Libra energy, and also no, it's Aquarius energy, and it's Neptune aligned to what is this? Planetary Neptune, meaning rebelliousness and revolution. Okay, so and also it's a crown chakra, so you can see what is happening behind. Yeah. So it says in here that will make you inspired to move on. Okay. Now is the time for a fast change, to for a new beginning. Okay. So you have a strong faith in the future that there will be happiness and a true love that is really destined for you. Okay, my dear Virgo. Let's go to the angel message for you, my dear Virgo. Week commencing 11 11. 11 11, remember, that is a divine master number, very 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 mystical number. Okay, um let's see, the bottom of the card is number 6, the lovers. The lovers, this is a Gemini card. You are connected to the Gemini people. Okay, Archangel Raphael, intimate relationships, carefully weigh your decisions, good health. Okay, so as I've said, for those who are suffering those signs that I have told you earlier on, then you must seek a medical advice because you really need to have a good health. Okay, um, to um, to to be on to start to a new beginning, you'll need to have a good health. Okay, and intimate relationships, then that's why if you feel like someone is betraying you, then talk to that behalf. Okay, or if a friend is betraying you, talk to that friend. Okay, so let's go. 7 of fire. Defend your beliefs and decision. Stand your ground. Choose your battles wisely. Yeah? So that's a beautiful message for you, my dear Virgo. So let's go to the animal spirit message for you, my dear Virgo friends, for week commencing 11/11. Okay. Bottom of the card says Tree of Winter. Rose breasted grows big. Sadness is a part of life, but you don't have to endure it alone. You may need a little time to heal, but once you work your way through the emotions, you will be stronger than before. As I've said, it will just inspire you to move forward, to do that fast change. Okay, it will just make you feel stronger now. For those who are, dealing with that um, betrayal um, issues. Okay, 10 of autumn. Golden Retriever dog. I love Golden Retriever dogs. Contentment comes from knowing that your finances are secure and your family's material needs are taken care of. It's important to honor traditions and have pride in your heritage and the accomplishments of your ancestors. That's why I have told you um, those who have ancestors who departed, then I think they are the one that there are the spirits that were trying to contact you. Okay, let's go to the for those who are seeking messages from the spirit guides regarding their jobs, career, and business. Let's see. Okay, the bottom of the card is gestures. You may be asked to help someone, okay, out, or you may to someone out, or you may need a hand. Give deserved praise to others and you will receive recognition too. It's just like give and take. Yeah. Direction. Your purpose is unfolding slowly, step by step as you go along. There's no need to hurry or worry. You are being divinely guided, as what I have told you by your spirit guides. Okay. Mm. Right. For those who have a question, one question in your mind that you are seeking, waiting for the yes or no answer, then I'll give you the answer. Okay. The bottom of the deck is it's a no card. It says in here, what is this? Oh, it's a very that's loving. Why God, it's so very very sorry, I have to losing part of yourself, missing pieces gone away. Ah, okay. That's what you feel when you feel like you were defeated, isn't it? The earlier of the reading, okay? So, but please don't stop thinking about that, okay? That you lost part of yourself. No, 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 no. It's just part of your life's destiny and a life challenge, And of course, you have to fight and be strong to, yeah, you don't feel like you are defeated, okay? It's a no card as well. So a strong no. So if what's in your mind, okay, don't do that at the moment. Yeah. Learn from experience, old ways no longer work. So meaning you have to be a new you. You have to do something new. As I've said, new cycle is now happening on you. Okay. So my beautiful Virgo, good luck on your journey. If you like the reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste.